Welcome to the CSIT Experts online forum. So in this short video, I will show you is how to develop a simple GUI program using JavaFX. So that will be used to add two numbers. So the output of this program will be like as shown in this figure. So it will have two text boxes with two labels and with three labels. So enter N1 and N2 and with sum actually, and there will be a button plus sign. So the whatever number I will enter on in these boxes, text boxes, the sum of the numbers will be displayed here. So let's get started. So this will be a pretty simple Java program. So as you see, the codes are here, so just less than 100 lines. So if I run this program, so by doing right click and then run as and Java application, and you will see that this is the output, my expected output. And then if initially I don't have any number entered here, so if I click on plus sign, it will show me 0 actually, and then if I put any number 5.5 over here, 5.7 over here, and then plus, click on plus, it will show 5.7. if I add another number over here, then it will show us the sum of these two numbers. Whenever I change this number, and it will show me my revised summation. So this will be the output of my program. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so actually, as you know from my previous demo, from my previous lecture, that in this lecture actually JavaFX create a simple GUI window with a button and a label with action. So actually at some point in this video, you will see that actually these are the we don't need this. Let me come these line of codes are the very simple lines of codes here that will generate an empty GUI. So let us run this and show you. So this will generate actually an empty window, but now I need to add first a title and then other components. So in order to make our output like expected output like this way, so we have to first add a title, add two numbers. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so actually the title will be is a simple line of code. So actually, in order to save my time, I'm just copying my code and pasting actually. So this line will set title. So if I run it, then it will show me title. Okay, its title is added. So now actually I need to add these labels and these text boxes, these labels and these text boxes. So in order to save my time, actually I want to copy and paste some codes that I have deleted just. Okay, so actually I will need these fields. Actually I'm copying and pasting, and I will explain now. So these are the field. First one, private label. So I put LBL label, enter N1 as a new label, so with text enter N1, and then my second label LBL enter N2 is another label that is called enter N2. Actually it will be enter N2. Okay, and then I have a text field. So text num1 equal to new text field. Okay, and then I have another text field, text num2 equal to text field, and then I have a button. It's called button sum equal to new button. I'm putting plus sign within text, and then I have two labels. Label 1 will be lbl sum equal to new label, it is showing sum colon, and another label lbl display sum equal to new label. So now I need to add this, actually this web component, elements into my pen. So the easiest way is to add those actually my pen dot add. I need actually the first one lbl enter in one. Okay, enter in one. Okay, and then its position, initially its position should be 0 0, that means in column 0 and row 0. Okay, then similarly I need to, then after that, so then if I run this program, let me see how it shows. Okay, so then I have enter in one. Okay, and now I need to add, okay, I need to add this text num1, and this will be 0, and then is this in the second row, this is the row, first one is row and this is the column, right? Actually, yeah, first one is the column index, second one is row index. So column index will be, for this one column index will be 1, because it will go on the right side, and then 0. So let me see how this look. So this will look like this. Okay, so expected is fine. So now I need to add 2 more. Okay, so then copy and paste. Okay, I need to add level 2. Actually it should be 0 1, and it should be num2, it should be 1 1. Okay, and then I need to add, okay, so then I need to add other components. So these are the components I need to add. So I have copied and pasted in order to save my time. So then now run it and let us see. Okay, now it has this these components, label and 2 text boxes and sum, and then this, but it, at this point if I click on a plus sign on this button, it will not do anything. Okay, because I have not written code over here. So any code, I don't have any code over here, any action. Okay, so now is one problem. You see that these are shown at the upper left corner. So I can do my pen dot set align. Okay, align, and then pause dot, you can go center maybe. Okay, so now this will be displayed on center. Okay, now it's good, but now I need to write codes against this button. Okay, okay, so I have this button already, button sum. Actually this is actually, yeah, button sum, I need this one. So button sum dot set on action. Okay, so that set on action method. So then now I need to create a new event handler object over here. So new event handler, and then it will be still handler, it will be in uppercase handler, and this is a generic class, so I need to use angle brackets, and within angle brackets I need to action event type is type constant, and then constructor is calling, and then with actually I need to write more codes over here. Actually then I need to come down these are, and within second bracket here. Okay, then once I add this event handler, so then it's showing me some errors. So let me move my mouse over here, and then it is showing me add unimplemented methods over here. I need to add this one. So once I add this one, it is showing me that I need to override this handle method. So actually I don't need this code. Okay, so the handle method, actually what it will do, so for instance I have to, in the handle method, let me show you. If I run this program, once I click on this button, what I want to display the sum over here, the value I put, the number I put in these text boxes, in text 1 and text 2. So I need to convert this text into number by using wrapper class, either to integer or float or double, and then I need to add these two numbers, and then I need to display. Actually there is another text box over here, or a level over here I need to put here to display the sum over here. Okay, so let us do that. And actually I need actually another level I have to have. Okay, actually display this one, label display sum, this one I need one. Okay, so I need to this one, label display sum dot set text is set, this is that it takes a string value. Okay, so that means I need to put, since it's a string value, so then I need to put double quotation string, empty string, plus I need to convert the text into numbers, like for instance in double or integer I can put in double dot, okay, parse. I need this wrapper class, and then parser. Okay, parse double, and what I will parse the value that are displayed on the text num1. Okay, I have this value, actually this one, text num1. Actually I can copy this one, text num1. Okay, dot get text. Okay, then I have to do this, and actually this is the first text I got, but I need to add the second one as well. So how can I get the second one? I can copy and paste over here. The second one will be 2 over here. Actually, in order to show in one line, let me enter and put in another line. Okay, so actually I need to display this, but one thing is that since this is the string operation, I need to put these and these within another parenthesis, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so otherwise so it will not work. So I will show you what will be the error if I do not put this within another parenthesis. Okay, actually this will go here. Actually yeah, this will go here. Okay, actually this is here. Actually this is here, and then actually you see this is an entire statement, one statement, single statement. Okay, so then if I run this, okay, then what coming here, then you have to put 5 here and then 6 here. Then if I click add, then it is showing my 10. Okay, but okay, so this, but if I do not use this parenthesis, then what will happen? Let me show you. If I do not use this parenthesis, so then it will show output like this way, like 5 and then 45. When you see it is showing me 5.0 and 45.0. Why it is showing me 5.0? Because I'm converting this text into double, so this is why it is getting 5.0. and since string operation works in this way, that once a string, for the first element is a string, and then if you use add operator, then all of this will be considered an individual string. So this is why in order to resolve that issue, I have to use, so in order to resolve this issue, I have to use another parenthesis over here. I have to use parenthesis over here, and then I have to use one more parenthesis. Now if I run this, my program will show my expected result. That for instance, if I put 4.6 over here and then 5.2 over here, then it will show me some. Okay, if I again put something else, then it will show me the new summation. Okay, but there is an issue in this program, because it's not completed yet. Because if I put an empty text, then what it will show? It will showing me an error right over here. So this is why I need to fix it. So I need to consider that if I have actually, if I have, for instance, if then I have to consider if my text like text, this one actually, text num dot get text dot length equal to 0 is empty. That means that if text num1 dot text length get text dot length equal to 0, that means if it is empty, right, then what it will show? Actually it will show actually text 2, right? Then it will show me like this. It will show me num2. Actually then I don't need this. Okay, display that set text. Actually I need one more. Okay, so then that means if my text one is empty, then it will show me the value of like, it will show me like I can set 0 plus 0.0 plus this one. I can show this one. Okay, but similarly, if my else if my num2 dot text is length is 0, then it will show me 0 plus num on whatever I have in text1. Okay, then I have one more condition, if both are empty. Okay, then I can do that, else if, okay, this one, so I can add and I can add this way. Okay, then if I have both empty, then it will show me what? It will show me 0, right? Okay, else it will show me this one, right? So let me align it, and okay, let us run this. Let me run this, and then let us see if I get my expected result. Okay, so initially both are empty, so if I click one plus sign, then oops, then I have an error. Actually, if okay, actually I need to go this one as a first condition. Let me go this one as a first condition if both are empty, and else if, and else if, let me see. Okay, now let me run it. So I'm giving the first condition that if, okay, so there is an empty, and this will be in 1. Okay, num1 and num2 both are empty, then it will show me 0, and then if num1 is empty, then it will show me 0 0 plus num2, and then if num2 is empty, then it will show 0 0 0.0 plus num1. So now let me run it. So initially both empty, so then it is showing me 0 0. Okay, so not working. Now if I put 23 over here and then 0 over here, then it is showing me 23, and then 45, and then add this 2. If I change this, then it is showing me. If I change this, then it is showing me. Okay, so then if I change this, and then it is showing me. Okay, so that means now my program is working. So actually this is the way to develop a calculator. So once you can do this program, so then you will be able to include the operation for plus sign, like for instance, likely in order to multiplication operator. Okay, so then you have to use multiplication sign over here, and then you need to add another button with add button multiplication. Okay, so this is a very simple demo in order to use JavaFX to develop a GUI application. This is part of development of a calculator program. So actually here this is the event handler, and this event handler class object. It is, you see that this is a pretty large statement. It's one statement over here. From here to here, this is only one statement, and then you need to develop this part by part. Okay, so please do some practice and try to understand this program, and then once you understand this program, then you will be able to develop a calculator, simple calculator program. Like you can add for instance more buttons over here, one for multiplication, one for addition, subtraction, division, like you can use square root or squared function, okay, or cubic operation, something like those kind of operation. So as you see, the simple codes are straightforward and very simple and not too many codes, but you can concise this by refactoring as method or other way. And in this program I have used just a few buttons, only one button and few labels, so you can add more labels for instructions and then other events handlers. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.